Happy 13th. It is math time. We've already started, haven't we? You're going to need page 161 and 162 from your number skills paper. You're also going to need a whiteboard and a marker, and if you have a deck of cards, you're going to get that as well. So go ahead and get your supplies and then come back and meet me. We're going to practice our clock first. All right, boys and girls, what we're going to do is we're going to practice our clock, and then we're going to practice random numbers. All right, here we go. What time does my clock say? It says 12 o'clock. They also call this noon. There's a 12 o'clock in the afternoon when a lot of people are having lunch. 12 o'clock in the morning. It's really late and everyone's sound asleep. Are you ready? Say 12 o'clock. Each number represents 5. So we're going to go 12, 5, 10, 15. It is 12:15. So if I show you the digital clock, it says 12, 15. 12, 15. If I go back to 12 o'clock, we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Do you see how that one moved a tiny little bit? So it is 12. It just passed the 12. 12, 30. You write 12:30. Let me get it on there. 12:30. Or half past 12 because it went halfway around the clock. You ready? Tick tock goes the clock. Tell the time where it stops. What time does my clock say? That's right, it says 5 o'clock. Great job. 5 o'clock. Each number's worth 5 minutes have gone by. 5, 10, 15. So it is 5:15. Go back up to 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It just passed that 5, so it is 5:30 or half past 5. Good job, boys and girls. I know the more we practice that, the easier it gets. All right, let's go ahead and practice some random numbers. Number recognition. I'm going to stop it. You're going to tell me what comes after. Here we go. Everybody's participating, saying the numbers out loud. Okay, boys and girls, what's this number? 84. What comes after 84? That's right, 85. Good job, boys and girls. Say the numbers out loud. Ooh, that's a big one. Great, keep going. All right, what number is that? It's 24. There are 2 groups of 10. How many are left over? 4. What comes after 24? 25. Great job. Say the numbers out loud. Good job. I want to hear ya. Okay, what number is that? It's 67. What comes after 67? That's right, 68. 67 has 6 groups of 10, and how many ones left over? Yeah, it's always fun to build those. So if you have some Legos or some blocks, you guys can build some of those. Remember how we used to do that in classroom? 10 frames, 10, this would have 6 groups of 10 with 7 left over. It's a fun way to go ahead and practice. Let's do one more. Set, say the number out loud. Ooh, 101, 101. Okay, what number is that? That's right, it's 27. What comes after 27? That's right, 28. All right, so we are practicing takeaways, aren't we? We've learned how to subtract. I'm so proud of you. We learned subtraction with the 5 little speckled frogs. Well, today we're going to learn subtraction with the monkey song. I'm sure you've heard about it. 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. Have you heard that song? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to write the subtraction problem each time a monkey rolls off the bed. Okay, so I need you to get your marker and your board out, and we'll sing the song, but then we're going to pause it to write the problem. Okay, here we go.
little monkeys. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay, let's write that problem. Oh, there's my berry from yesterday. All right, so we're going to go ahead. There were how many monkeys jumping on the bed? 5. So we're going to write a 5. We're going to take away 1 because 1 fell off. Take away 1. You had 5 monkeys jumping on the bed. Put your 5 fingers up. 5 monkeys were jumping. 1 fell off and bumped his head. How many do you have left? 4? You think 4? Let's write 4. And we'll see if we're right. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Oh, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, you're right.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped her head. Papa called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
All right, so let's see if we can write that problem. We're going to erase this one, and we're going to go ahead and say 4 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. 1 fell off, so you have to do the takeaway sign. 1 fell off. So if you had 4 monkeys jumping on the bed, 1 fell off and bumped his head. Our number is getting smaller. We're taking it away. How many monkeys are left? 3. Do you think the difference is 3? Let's write a 3. We'll check our answer in a minute. Okay, here we go. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. You guys are awesome.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Uh-oh, let's see. Okay, let's write our problem. Let's erase it. And we had 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. How many fell off? 1. So we're going to do, and I want you guys to write this. We're going to say 3, take away 1. So go ahead and write that. Equals, so if we had 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed, 1, 2, 3. 1 fell off, take away 1. How many monkeys were left? 2. That's the difference. So we're going to go ahead and write a 2 right there. 3 take away 1 equals 2. Let's say that problem. 3 take away 1 equals 2. All right, great job. Let's go ahead and go back to our song.
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped her head. Papa called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Oh no, let's write our problem out. Now you're gonna write it with me. Let's see, let's do black. So we had how many? 2 little monkeys, huh? 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off. So our problem's gonna look like this. 2 monkeys, this is take away 1 monkey, equals what? If you have 2 little monkeys jumping on a bed, 1 fell off and bumped his head. How many monkeys are left? 1. That is the difference. So we're saying 2 take away 1 equals 1. Let's see if we're right. Oh, we were right. Look.
1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys straight to bed.
Uh-oh, so let's see. Let's write the problem. We have 1 monkey, and he was jumping on the bed. He fell off, so we're going to take away 1. equals what? If we had one little monkey jumping on the bed, he fell off and bumped his head. 1 take away 1 equals what? Equals 0. 1 take away 1 equals 0. Okay? Great job. Let's see if we're right. Oh, look, it says, he said, put those monkeys straight to bed. We started off with 5. All 5 are back in bed. So we were adding that time, huh? Oh my goodness, that is so much fun, huh? Are you guys looking for anything special on the board? Okay, all right, boys and girls, it's time for us to get our math paper out. So let's go ahead and minimize all this stuff and open up this for you guys. There we go. And we're gonna go ahead and do our math paper together. I'll explain it anyways. Let's see. Go ahead and get this closer for you guys. There we go. All right, so let's see. You're gonna write your name and today's date on it, and let's see what the directions say. Are you ready? It says, circle the one that continues the pattern. So you're going circle, square, triangle, triangle. Circle, square, triangle, triangle. Circle, square, triangle. Okay? This one is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Okay? Number 2 says write 1, 2, and 3 to show which happened first, next, and last. Okay, so you have a little elephant who is taking a bath. If that elephant is taking a bath, you have to look at each picture. What would happen first if the elephant was going to take a bath? Would he dry off with a towel? Would he fill up the bathtub? Or would he be in the bathtub? So put a number 1 by the one that happens first. What would happen second? That's next. Would he be drying off with a towel next? Or would he be in the bathtub next? And then what's the third thing, the last thing to happen with their elephant? All right, let's go ahead and see what the bottom says. It says write how many. That's easy breezy. You're just gonna count the glasses and write how many, count the sandcastles, the sunblock, and the hats. Okay, when you're finished, you're gonna turn your paper over. It says circle the number that tells how many. So you're gonna go ahead and count each object. Now with mathematicians, they tend to get things wrong because they're counting so quickly. Do you remember how I showed you to cross count? So when you're counting, say the carrots, if you take your pencil and you show your work and you're going like this and counting and crossing as you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That way you don't get mixed up when you have higher numbers, okay? So go ahead and count those, and on number 2 it says write the missing numbers on your number line. This paper is a review paper. It has a little color trim on it, so it's a little bit easy for you guys because we're practicing concepts. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, oh, I need that back up. We're gonna go ahead, and if you have a deck of cards, we're gonna go ahead, we've done this once before, or a couple times in the classroom too. You're gonna get a deck of cards, and you're gonna go ahead and do some adding with them. So if I have a deck of cards and I say 5 plus 3, I can go like this. 5, 5, count up, 6, 7, 8. Or I can practice my takeaways. 5, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can practice addition on the first round, and you can practice subtraction on the second round, okay? All right, guys, you did a great job. Kiss your brain. Mwah. Now it's time for you to go out to play and have a little snack, and I'll see you for story time. Bye, guys.